Welcome to my video about finding the derivative of the logarithm base a of x. Before I start, take a moment to think about how you might approach this problem, keeping in mind that we know the derivative of a to the y, we know the derivative of natural log of a, and we know that a is the inverse of the logarithm base a. When you're done, I will show you how I would do that. You can compare your work to mine. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is say that a to the y is equal to a to the natural log of a, natural log base a of x. And since a and natural log of a are inverse functions, I just end up with x. The second thing I'm going to do now is derive that implicitly. So I will take the derivative of a to the y with respect to y, which we found was a to the y times natural log of a. Since we're deriving it implicitly, though, we've taken the derivative with respect to y. We have to multiply by dy dx so that our final answer is in terms of the derivative of y with respect to x. And that is going to be equal to the derivative of x with respect to x, which is just 1. Now that I've derived that implicitly, next thing I have to do is solve for dy dx. To do that, of course, I will divide both sides of the equation by a to the y times natural log of a. So I have 1 divided by a to the natural log of a. The next thing I will do is find an expression for a to the y in terms of x, and I will substitute that in for a to the y. And if I look up here, I see that a to the y is equal to x. So I can substitute in x. And I see that derivative of y with respect to x is equal to 1 over x times the natural log of a. Thank you.